How to change email on Fiverr account. So if you want to basically change your email address on your Fiverr account, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply launch your browser, go to fiverr.com and make sure to log into your account. Once done, click on your profile icon from the top right hand side and then you simply want to go to the option that says settings. Once you go to the option called settings, on the left hand side at the top left, make sure you're under the account tab. And here you'll find your current email address. So all we have to do is just select this box right here and enter the new email address that we want to change to. And make sure that you have got access to both of those email addresses and click on the Save Changes button. As you've done that, it will say for the email to change effect, please follow instructions in an email sent to the original email address. So you have to log into your original email address first, and after that it will actually basically give you some of the instructions there to verify. So let's go ahead and see. You can see we received a request to update your Fiverr email. I will select that, and all we have to do is you need to confirm the changes, then please click on the click here option and you'll receive a verification email to your new address, and once done your Fiverr email will be successfully changed. So I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.